It is the 6th of July 2021, and looks like it's going to be a really nice day. Let me get my boots on. I like to shake out the dirt out of the boot. Yeah, it's the 6th of, it's a Tuesday, July 2021. And I obviously need to remow the grass. What in the world was that noise? Huh. It's a little windy out, which is nice, and I think it might have rained a little bit, which is kind of unfortunate because I'll show you why. I just heard a really weird buzzing noise. Oh, that poor dog, he's so old, he's having trouble doing his thing. Sorry about that, guys. It's back to life, man. Anyway, this thing is up on the trailer. Got the flat tire going on. Gary West helped me load it. I bought this bike from Gary West a while ago, about last year. And I met a guy that can actually get this thing running for me. It's a little dirty, but we'll get it going. I'm gonna let the horses out. Got the couple of implements hiding in the shadows there. Seems to fit perfectly. It's right on our borderline. Oh man, I let the horses in and I left that gate open. Check that out. So last night about 12:30, was it that late? No, I don't know what time, but I left that thing open here. Oh man, they could have snuck out there. So I had this all down, all the fencing down, and so I could mow. Obviously I needed it badly, and I told Kathy, I says, hey, when you get home from the fireworks, make sure you, what the world? These are real plants in here. Huh, that's crazy. Anyway, a little off topic there, a little distraction. So I told her, hey, make sure you have the, hi girls, hi boys. Boy, I mean, hi sweetie pie. Oh, you're such a cutie pie. You are such a cutie, aren't you? Yeah, you are such a cutie. And I told her, I said, make sure you have the gates closed. And I let the horses in, and I left the one gate open. Thankfully, the horses didn't sneak out here. Man, I'd be all up in arms, freaked out. Yeah, so this area right here was open. Oh yeah, that's crazy. I got to mow around the fire pit too. That looks ridiculous. So let me do this quickly. I know it's kind of third world way of fencing my property, but hey, it works for me. Someday I'll get it completely fixed. Oh, this is poison ivy right here, but I typically don't get it. This is all poison ivy. Famous last words, right? I typically don't get poison ivy. Yeah. Hold my cerveza. Hey, I had a nice conversation with Julio Lopez. He's flying out to Mexico, the most southern part of Mexico. Wow. And yeah, he thought he'd give me a call and let me know, because we kind of work together with him getting jobs and stuff. But he's been on disability for a while. He hurt his hand somehow. I don't know if it was work related or what, but so he's spending like 6 weeks in Mexico. Wow, that's kind of cool. I did get an animal of some kind, or no, maybe I didn't. Oh, mama, no, I did not. So somehow, I bet you this thing these strings probably moved around and activated the trap. So, again, my daily chore of, can you guys see me? Turn the camera down a little bit. So what I do is, as I do every day, you've seen me before, but let me put this back in here. I like to mix them in properly. The same amount each time. A little bit sweet mix, full grain, sweet mix, a little grain. And they really don't need a lot of this because the grass is really growing good in the pasture, in the paddock. Man, I catch myself clearing my throat all the time. It's a habit of mine. I see some of my dog is laying down out there. I hear some other weird noise. What's all that noise? Oh, the neighbor running some kind of motor. Sounds like a chainsaw. Yeah, it is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sounds like Jackal and the chainsaw. Trimming up some wood, trees. Getting her done. Oh, there's a rabbit. Yeah, I don't know if you guys see him running around. Oh boy, I got the fence on. That's not smart. Yeah, we've got just a ton of rabbits out here lately. And then sure enough, yesterday Tony, or I think it was yesterday, he was out in the woods and he saw a great horned owl. So it attracts the predators everywhere. And the predators will swoop in, eat them all up, and then it takes about 8 years for the rabbit population to recover again. Now, is that true? That's my truth. So it's turning out to be a really nice day. I did hear it rain a little bit early in the morning, like about what, 2 o'clock? But very lightly. Yeah, I came back from Florida Sunday morning at 12:30 in the morning. Dirk picked me up from the airport. It was delayed an hour and a half. Did lose a tree here, guys, and it was alive. I thought it was dead, but no. The water's still puddling up there. Well, the tree was alive, but it's dead now. So that's kind of too bad, but hey, gotta make way for the new, right? It looks like it might have been a cherry. No, I don't know what kind of tree that was. I think this might be a cherry tree. I think, maybe not. I don't know. It's an apple tree. I know that. No apples this year. All froze. All the blossoms froze. Got a lot of sparrows frolicking about, as they say in Canada, eh? Man, there's a lot of birds up in there. I wonder what they're eating. Huh, that's weird. There's a robin there. Young robins. You can tell they're young by spotted breasts, orange breasts. All right, let's go back to the barn and let the horses out. They love the shaded area right here. And I like it that they love it. If they're happy, I'm happy. I got a mosquito on my head, feel it. We've had mosquitoes this year, but it's not as heavy as people say. Anyway, that's been my experience anyway. Haven't been really, me personally, I haven't been seeing a lot of mosquitoes. So end of this month, July 26th, Kathy and I are heading to, oh yeah, I just got hit by a mosquito on my neck, to Gould City, Upper Peninsula, Michigan. The plan is to just kind of hang out. See, there's a mosquito on my head right here. And I believe it's a big attraction for full-time RV people on YouTube. The YouTube is full of those guys. Hi girls, you guys ready to go outside? I know that this chainsaw's making weird noises. Turn the fence off so I don't get zapped. Kathy got zapped the other day. And we hate getting zapped. Anyway, let's see. Box Van D, how are ya? RV Debs, Nomadic Fanatic, Eric Jacobs. He travels with two cats. One's a bit of a kitten, and a little girl. She bolted out of the camper and was gone for 4 hours. Oy, 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 that's scary. I remember this lady, Carolyn, Camper Van Carolyn, or I don't know. Anyway, she had a cat that she lost, and she was never able to find it back. Yeah, a little cute little bugger, Perrin. He is a cutie. He's going to join one of his brothers in, I want to say it's Virginia or one of the Carolinas. Heard of it? But these are Friesians, guys. Gorgeous Friesians. And they enjoy this kind of weather. If it's too hot, they go in the shade. If it's cool, they head out in the sun. They need to be all shipped to get bred soon, the girls. Baby will go with them. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. I believe the first order of business is to drop off my motorcycle. Hey, let's take a look at the garden real quick. Again, I mowed all this yesterday, and I got to do it again today because, yeah, it was really out of control. Chives, beautiful chives. I keep saying that's oregano. I believe that's oregano. I love looking at these grapes here. Just really curious how it's going to turn out this year. Last year Kathy planted them. This year that's looking pretty good. Wow, how sweet is that? Strawberries are still producing. Tomatoes are flowering. Again, this one here is this year's planting. We'll see how that turns out. More strawberries over here. Tomatoes, tomato. Yeah, I see some tomatoes there. Here's another grapevine. Let's see. You can see the grapes here. Don't touch it, Dirk. Don't touch them. But again, I got to move these vines up the trellis, I guess you call it. You can see more grapes there, right? think you can see them. Oh, look at that bug. I wonder what kind that is. It's a gone kind. Took a dump there. Looks like it's affecting the green of the leaves. All right, let's check the water slowly receding. The water goes underground and it pops up in the woods. You can see it kind of like an artesian spring back there, right inside the woods, just past the woods, slowly draining the, call it a pond, puddle, I don't know. Birds are making a lot of noise here today. Yesterday the boys didn't have to work, so today their first day of work, back to work. 4th of July. Beans are looking good. The plants, I mean, look at the flowers popping out. That's a nice thing, right? Wherever there's a flower, there's a bean, right? More of them popping out. So hopefully this is an ongoing thing. I love fresh green beans. What you do is you snip the ends off, and then you lightly fry them in butter. Oh man, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of nutmeg, and you got yourself a really nice meal. And they're so meaty. It's like eating meat, really good tasting meat. Yum. Again, I'm thinking these are weeds. Kathy's starting to think that too. I know these are weeds. But see, I don't have to get on my hands and knees to pick weeds. See that? Look at that. I'm standing up. Look at my feet. Oh, oh, oh man. The weeds were not easy to pull. Got a little flag going on here. Don't know what it says. But these are sweet peas, guys. I really don't like them in this pot, because this pot was supposed to be dedicated solely for my strawberries. What does that mean? Means I might be out of luck. But it's damp. There's plenty of moisture in there. Strawberries are doing pretty good. Sweet peas are